Christmas is around the corner and choosing the right cake with the rich seasonal flavors is a big deal. Though you can get a traditional cake from any bakery, but what's better than baking a moist cake at your home for your family? If you love baking at home, then you need to follow this recipe for Christmas. Hello viewers, I am Shuparna. Welcome to our channel Simply Food. So first I am taking all the dry ingredients into a bowl. I am taking 300 gram or 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, salt 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon of spice mixture powder. Into this spice powder, I took nutmeg, cinnamon and cloves. I am sifting this all ingredients so no lumps remain. Set it aside. Now strain the soaked fruits into a bowl. It has beautiful aroma, it's orangey, it's flavorful. These dry fruits are soaking for 14 days in the orange juice. Set the juice aside for later use. Now into a large bowl, take 175 gram of softened butter. This butter should be in room temperature. You can see this is nicely softened. Now add 250 gram of sugar. Traditionally, brown sugar are used in this Christmas cake, but I am using normal sugar. One thing, if the sugar curds are bigger, then make the powdered sugar. It will mix easily into the butter. Now mix the butter and sugar, whisk them until it's creamy. You can use blender machine, also a hand blender. It will take little time and a good hard work. You can see it's creamy. Now put one egg at one time. Beat the egg well. You have to whisk it well. Now again add one more egg and whisk it well. Make sure you beat the egg well with the butter. Now put one more egg and beat it well. You can see the texture, it's creamy and light. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and mix it well. After mixing, add the dry ingredients. I'll add them into 2 batches. Don't mix them, just fold and cut with your spatula. No whisking and no more quick mixing at this point. The flour mix well into the buttery mix. Now I will add the rest of the flour mix. Again fold and cut. You can get the satisfaction by making this cake. When you taste this rich and flavorful cake, you will enjoy this very much. I'm sure you all love this recipe. The mix is done. Now time to add the dry fruits. Now add finely chopped almonds. You can add almond powder. Now add chopped cashew nuts, chopped dates, little bit of orange zest and soaked dry fruits. I'll put the link of soaking dry fruits in the description box. Please check them out. Give a light mix. This batter is very much dense and it should be. This cake recipe is a must try as the cake will woo everyone with its flavor. Bake this festive fruit cake in advance of Christmas and fill it every 2 days with orange juice to build the flavor and keep it moist. A festive, flavorful and moist fruit cake to enjoy all these holidays. Now put this cake mixture into the cake tin. Line the bottom of the pan with butter paper. You can definitely use parchment paper. Also line the sides of the pan with the paper. Put the mixture with patience. Fill the gaps with your spatula and flatten the surface too. Now wet your finger with a little bit of water to clean the sides and the surface. Calling out people who crave sugar all the time, this cake will be a treat to their taste buds, which will take them on a ride of fruity flavors. It's time to bake. Preheat the oven in 150 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Put this cake into the middle rack of the oven. Bake the cake for 60 minutes on 150 degrees centigrade and then again bake the cake for 40 minutes on 120 degrees centigrade. One thing, after 1 hour, just check this cake. After baking, take it out from the oven, prick a wooden skewers, and if it comes out clean, it's ready. Now let the cake cool down completely and leave it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, prick some hole. Now time to feed the cake for an even richer cake. Feed the cake with orange juice in which we soaked the dry fruits. This is the first time I feed the cake. As much as you feed the cake, it will taste much good. This process keeps the cake moist and deepens the flavors. After feeding the cake, let it rest for 4 to 5 hours. You can feed this cake for 1 week every 2 days later. It will be much tastier and much moistful cake. That's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoy the recipe. Please hit the like button after watching the video and do share our videos with others. Do subscribe to our channel and leave your comments in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thank you. Bye.